Craving the ultimate fall treat, this vegan pumpkin bread is fluffy, cozy, and seriously delicious. Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes, and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe. For the bread, you're going to need pumpkin puree, avocado oil, organic sugar, coconut palm sugar, flax meal, water, pumpkin spice, cinnamon, vanilla, sea salt, baking soda, baking powder, and all-purpose or gluten-free flour. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees so it's ready to go. Now mix the flax meal with water to make a flax egg and let it thicken while you prep. Give your loaf pan a quick spray so we're all set. Add the pumpkin puree to a mixing bowl, a splash of avocado oil, organic sugar, palm sugar, a pinch of sea salt, and vanilla. Whisk it all together until it's silky and smooth, and you see that perfect pumpkin orange color. Next, add pumpkin spice, cinnamon for those instant fall vibes. Then I add in baking soda, baking powder. I like to add them now so that they blend better and give an amazing rise. Pour in your flax egg and whisk it in. Slowly add your flour, regular or 1-for-1 gluten-free. When it starts to thicken, switch to a spatula so you don't overmix. Pour the batter into your prepared baking pan, smooth the top, tap out any air bubbles, bake at 350 for 15 minutes. When a toothpick comes out clean, you're good to go. While it bakes, let's whip up the creamiest vegan cream cheese frosting. Start by adding a half a cup of vegan butter and a half a cup of vegan cream cheese. These need to be at room temperature. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla and a cup of powdered sugar. I like to sift mine for extra smoothness. Mix until it's super fluffy and silky. Once your pumpkin bread is completely cooled, and it has to be cooled, you guys, spread that frosting over the top. And that's it, the coziest, dreamiest vegan pumpkin bread with vegan cream cheese frosting. Perfect for fall, perfect for sharing, and honestly, pretty hard to mess up. Thanks for watching. You guys can find the recipe in the caption below. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.